Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, it's me Ruchi. So today is my first video for the hashtag birthday vlog, and I hope you will enjoy watching the 7 videos throughout this week. And I know कि मैं इतनी कोई बड़ी YouTuber नहीं हूँ कि to follow these trends, but I thought why not to celebrate a quarantine birthday with you guys. Although I have only 100 subscribers, it's fine. So with the title and with the thumbnail, you guys will be knowing what I am gonna share in this video. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. So Shein बंद होने के बाद actually we all were troubling a lot to find so many affordable things online. And to be very honest, I liked so many dresses from Shein and was planning to get them on my birthday. And the current obsession is lavender color, so I was trying out to find out some lavender dresses which were only available in Shein, and I couldn't find any alternative. So then I came across few websites जिसको मैं आपके साथ share कर रही हूँ, जैसे मैंने कुछ चीज़ें लिए, which are very familiar with you guys. So yeah, first thing I will show you that I bought from. Everything is purchased and nothing is sponsored. So yeah, I think this is called to be Polago clothing. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So yeah, यहाँ से मैंने 2 चीज़ें मंगवाई, एक dress and another is a top. And trust me, they have wonderful collection in maxi dresses, which are very affordable. Like in 1,500 maximum, you will get so many good collections. And I love the print material. Everything is so good. So this is the dress I bought. I'm not going to open it. I will keep a picture somewhere here to show you. And the packaging was good, and the delivery was very fast. I think I got it within a week or so. And the material is very good. The print is very good. The only thing is that I am extra small, or sometimes it don't even come extra small, उससे भी छोटा पड़ता है. तो ये ड्रेस मुझे थोड़ी सी लूज आई, but it's although fine. I liked it, my mom liked it, and yeah. So this was for I think 1,300, and I liked it because it's a maxi dress, and I don't think इतने अच्छे कपड़े में पूरा ढका हुआ maxi dress you will get for 1,300. So basically if we go, we get a maxi dress जिसमें साइड में सिलेट होता है या बैकलेस होता है या स्लीवलेस होता है 1,300 के रेंजेस में, and it is whole covered. So I liked it. It is a pretty genuine, honest review kind of thing. So this is the second top. ये थोड़ा crushed pattern में है, and I like the color. Even in camera you can see how the color is. Even though I will insert a picture to show you guys how it looks like. और इसके ये अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लूज लग रहा होगा. So with this I have got a belt, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा fit flary kind of vibes it, and I liked it because it's so good, and even the material is so good. So I will totally recommend. And ये सारे stores के link मैं description में mention करूँगी. These are Instagram stores, so you can check them out. So for these it's a double thumbs up. You can check them out because उनकी delivery अच्छी है, product अच्छा है, it's affordable. And if you are a person who like maxi dresses, cute kind of stuff, you can check it out. और वहाँ tops भी अच्छे मिलते हैं, even cords भी हैं कुछ. So yeah, this is the one. And the second one I got from Myntra. अब मुझे Myntra के बारे में इतना बोलना नहीं है, but although I got it, so I'm showing you guys. So this is something I can't show it here. मतलब आप लोग को इतना समझ नहीं आएगा what I got. So yeah, this is the piece, and it's a this also is a flare kind of top. नीचे bottom में थोड़े flare जैसे हैं, बहुत cute सा है. I will insert a picture for this also. And this was extremely cheap. I think 600-500 के अंदर आ गया था. And yeah, this top was for 750 rupees. So yeah, these were the 3 dresses. Actually I ordered a 4th dress, and I don't remember the name. मैं उसका भी insert करूँगी यहाँ picture Instagram store. I ordered them on 25th. वहाँ से मैंने 25th of July को ऑर्डर किया था, बट अब तक मुझे नहीं मिला है. And I'm shooting this video in the first week of September. So yeah, मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला है. उनके यहाँ पे कुछ कर्फ्यू वगैरह चल रहा था, जिस वजह से मेरा पार्सल बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया. So डिलीवरी के इस सिचुएशन में मैं उनको माइनस में ही पॉइंट दूँगी. एंड उनका मटेरियल कैसा है ये सब I will be posting on Instagram, because anyway I don't think before 6th of September I will be getting it. So yeah, and I like liked that dress so much, so I will be giving a review, and even you can check it out. आप order करने से पहले do ask them how long they will take to ship your parcel, because मैंने बिना पूछे ही order कर दिया था, मेरी गलती. So yeah, and moving on to the next item is all about accessories. So I am right now very obsessed with accessories. I ordered these from Dippy Treats. I think this is your store name, and sorry अगर गलत है. They have such an amazing collection in jewelry, in accessories, hair accessories, normal accessories, kind of bags and all that stuff. So I will show you what I got. So this is the hair bin. I think you can see it out, and this is quite useful thing. I know I look pretty. So yeah, this is a cute thing and I got it. This is the second one, a turban kind of thing. This is a super cute and material is so good. Nothing is cheap kind of material. Then second, this one is a bow tie, and see, this is also very cute. And this is another one, Yushi one, and I like this also. Then she was very sweet enough to send me 2 extra pieces. This is the one and I liked it. Like ये बहुत ज़्यादा minimal है, बहुत ज़्यादा cute है. And the second one another a bow tie, and I liked it because you can see the black color and cute stuff, polka dot. So I got 2 earrings from her store, and these are so pretty. I mean ये stud मेरी mom को भी पसंद है, मुझे भी पसंद है. So it's a German silver. I think you can see it. So these are German silver, and I don't remember the price for it because ये मैंने combo offers में लिया था. So this one, and there comes another earring which I never opened it. So this is the second one. So the packaging was super duper good, and वहाँ भी curfew चल रहा था. This store is from Assam, so in Assam there was a curfew and the flood. तो मैंने order किया, ship होने में time लगा, but shipping के बाद it reached me within I think 2 to 3 days maximum. उतना ही time लगा, and I liked all the products. The packaging was super good, eco-friendly packaging. So yeah, a big thumbs up for her store also, and it's a women-oriented store, so I think you can support a woman. Comes another jewelry store, and it's a proper German silver jewelry or oxidized jewelry store from Jaipur I think. And यहाँ से मैंने 2 चीज़ें मंगवाई हैं. First of all is this कड़ा, and इसको मैंने पहनने के बाद कितने लोगों ने मेरे को इसके बारे में पूछा. It's so pretty, like इतने सुंदर दिखते हैं हाथ में, and I liked it. I don't remember the price. I think it's for 400 or something. So this is it. And another one was the famous jhumkas from their collection, and it's a Hindu jhumka, और ये इतना ज़्यादा प्यारा है कि क्या, I like them. So this is the jhumka, if you can see. So yeah, ये है झुमके. This also for 400, and ये दोनों ही stores जो Instagram के हैं, the packaging was good and even this delivery was very fast. Like इनका shipping भी बहुत जल्दी था, इनका delivery भी बहुत जल्दी था. She told me within week you will get your stuff, and seriously I got this within a week. Shipment and even the delivery both. So yeah, I liked it. So these are the things which I got for my birthday this year. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and this is my first video, hashtag birthday vlogger, and I hope you enjoy watching this. And सारे stores के link description में होंगे, so you can check them out. All these are mostly Instagram stores except Myntra. So yeah, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. So मेरे को एक छोटा सा birthday gift जैसा मिल जाएगा कि yeah, people are watching my videos and subscribing to it. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, that is tomorrow. Till then, bye.